Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today inaugurated the two-day Tri-Hills Festival at Ususotham Auditorium. Addressing the event, the Chief Minister highlighted the importance of remembering and preserving cultural roots, urging the youth to imbibe these values for future generations. During the event, the official web portal of the Art and Craft Village was launched and awards and recognition were announced to achievers in different categories. As part of the inaugural program, a trio of Welsh musicians will perform Khasi melodies on the harp, offering a captivating cultural fusion.
The Jan Jatiya Gaurav Divas, marking the Tri-Hills Ensemble Festival and this entire program that we are having to celebrate the tribes of our state and, more importantly, the culture of our society and of our people.
The internal committee constituted